Hey sweet tooths, welcome back to PlatterPulse. Are you craving that thick, gooey, buttery, crumbled cookie but don't feel like paying $5 a pop? Well, today we re-whipping up the most famous chocolate chip cookie on the internet, the COPYCAT Crumbl cookie. The brand was started by two cousins, Jason McGowan and Sawyer Hemsley. They got their start in 2017 selling cookies out of their home kitchens. Their mission was simple: make seriously delicious cookies that bring people together. And boy, did they accomplish that goal. Crumbl's popularity exploded overnight. People lined up for hours to get a taste of their famous chocolate chip cookie. Before they knew it, they had expanded to 8 locations across Utah. And the rest is history. Today, Crumbl has over 100 stores nationwide and counting. I mean, who could resist a rotating menu of oversized gourmet cookies delivered fresh from the oven weekly? Every week there's a new theme and 4 delicious flavors to try, plus a secret menu that changes every month. And if you're a fan of chocolate chip, the Crumbl Classic is always on tap. They use only the highest quality ingredients and source their chocolate from Venezuela, Switzerland, and Belgium. The result is a cookie that tastes like pure heaven. But it's not just the taste, it's also the experience. Crumbl creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. It's the perfect place to catch up with friends or enjoy a sweet treat with the family. Plus, they're always coming up with fun new ways to celebrate holidays and special occasions. Overall, Crumbl is more than just a cookie company. It's a community. It's a place where people come together to enjoy the simple pleasures in life. And if you haven't tried it yet, well, you're missing out. These are so good, you won't even miss the original. Feel free to swap the milk chocolate chips for semi-sweet chips or chunks. And for those who love peanut butter, try adding peanut butter chips for a Reese's vibe. For something extra special, toss in chopped Snickers or Twix bars for a caramel-filled surprise. And for the more adventurous bakers, mix in toffee bits and almond extract for a gourmet crunch. The possibilities are endless. The best part about our COPYCAT recipe is that it's just as good as the original, but without breaking the bank. Plus, you can make it in the comfort of your own home. So next time you're craving a delicious chocolate chip cookie, skip the $5 price tag and make our COPYCAT recipe instead. You won't regret it. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to share the love. Tag me on social media and let the world know how much you love our COPYCAT Crumbl cookie. You can store these beauties in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Or for those who like to plan ahead, freeze them for up to a month. To enjoy a frozen cookie, simply pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds, and it'll taste like you just baked it, fresh. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to drop a like and hit subscribe for more viral delicious recipes every week. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy baking and better yet, our version is easier, faster, and cheaper. And if you've never been to Crumbl before, you're in for a treat. These guys really know how to take a classic cookie to new heights. The ingredients are simple and basic, but the technique is what makes these cookies shine. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Crumbl has become the go-to destination for cookie lovers across the nation. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you a few tricks to make our COPYCAT version even better. These cookies are thick, gooey, buttery, and honestly, better than the real deal. So let's get baking. Here's everything you'll need. 1 cup salted butter at room temp, 1 1/4 cups light brown sugar, packed 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon kosher, salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 3 cups, all-purpose flour, and the star. 2 cups, milk, chocolate chips. I recommend Ghirardelli if you want the classic creamy Crumbl taste. Optional. Press extra chocolate chips on top after baking for that bakery-style look. Let's start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms up, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper and set it aside. Now let's cream our butter, light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. In a stand mixer bowl, or using a hand mixer, start on medium speed. Give it a solid 3 minutes until the mixture is fluffy and smooth. This step helps build flavor and the right texture for our cookies. Next, add in your eggs, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and cornstarch. Mix for another minute, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Now turn the mixer to low speed and add in your flour slowly. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough at this stage. That would make our cookies tough and chewy instead of soft and cakey. Now comes the fun part, folding in those chocolate chips. Again, be careful not to then you'll want to roll the dough into balls. Each one should be about 4.2 ounces or a rounded 3/1 cup of cookie dough. Once you have even balls of dough, you will want to break them in half and turn each half over so the jagged sides face up. Now press the two halves back together to form a craggy, rough-looking top. This step gives that iconic chunky, rustic crumble look when baked. Now place the dough balls 3 inches apart on your prepared baking sheet. Keep in mind, they do spread a lot in the oven. They're done when the edges are slightly golden and the tops look just set. Don't overbake. They'll continue cooking as they cool. An easy trick to get the bakery finish is right after taking them out of the oven. Press in a few extra chocolate chips on top of each cookie. Cool them on the tray for 5 minutes, then move them to a wire rack to cool completely. It's hard to resist, but please try to wait as long as you can. If you're anything like me, you'll find yourself making several trips to the kitchen to grab 1, 2, or maybe even 3 warm, gooey cookies. But trust me, the result will be worth it. You'll have a thick, chewy cookie that falls apart at the first bite. The buttery, rich flavor is balanced perfectly with the sweetness of the chocolate chips, and the texture is beyond compare. It's cakey, yet chewy, and holds its shape beautifully. Now let's talk about why Crumbl has taken the world by storm. Here are a few fun twists you can try with our copycat recipe to make them even better than the original.